you can look at AI in maybe three large buckets. The architectural speak of that is IoT data will give you insights by role. It'll give you conversational intelligence, ease at which you can do larger enterprise reporting, and certainly then integrate with agentic actions. That's important though, because it's really reimagining how you could build some of the outcomes that you're looking for on the plant floor with incredible ease. So here's a Ignition UI screen, whether it's complex, simple, but it's one of the ones that we all might have seen before, which is you've got on the left a couple of clicks here to go to the appropriate overview of a particular dash. A icon for Aether that pops up a simple UI here asking, for you to ask any questions that you have on this data. Now, Ignition, as you appreciate, obviously this screen shows the real-time data, and we're doing it off of a demo instance. So if I say, well, how many alarms are there right now? I can ask things in natural language, and hopefully it should read and look for various aggregations it needs to do and give me an answer in a simple English or typical markdown language. So let me go to some Q&A. Is InfluxDB supported? And so the answer is absolutely, because our connectors allow you to connect to many types of time series or database structures or warehouses or telemetry data